Amazon PPC optimization. The obvious way is the usual suspects, which is to upbid, downbid, harvest your search term, and negate your search terms. But in this video, I will show you 4 non-obvious ways to optimize your Amazon PPC campaign to make sure that you reach your PPC objective. My name is Rick Wong, former Amazon seller and founder of SellerMetrics and Amazon PPC agency. If you are interested in content such as this one, where we geek out on Amazon FBA, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So Amazon PPC has become a bit of blood sport, and it's become much harder in terms of competition and sophistication on the actual platform itself. I remember in 2016 where the cost per click was 30 cents and there was only sponsored products. Now we have sponsored brands and sponsored display, and within these it's increased in terms of optionality and also settings. And to be able to leverage these new settings is basically what separates the experts with the novices. So without further ado, I'm gonna name my first non-obvious way to optimize your PPC campaign, and you can see in the screen, you could tell what it is, and that is to set your campaign bidding strategies to dynamic bid down only. So if you actually go to your campaign settings, down to campaign bidding strategy, you could select the options, bid down only, bid up and down, and fixed bids. If you pick the down option, it allows Amazon advertising the leeway to downbid any keyword / target that it deemed less likely to convert to a sale. And we know Amazon leverage a lot of data, and there's a good chance that they know whether a certain keyword is less or more likely to convert. So by clicking the down only, you allow Amazon to decrease the bid on a target that is less likely to convert to a sale. And this would suppress your ad spend on certain keywords that are probably not going to perform for you, basically increase your ROI on your campaign. The second non-obvious way to optimize your Amazon PPC campaign is to make sure you decrease the bids on your keyword targets that has no clicks and impression. So what do I mean by that? So if you actually look at one of my ad groups, and you can see my keywords and its corresponding bids, you can see the bids that attributed to an order for me are much higher than the keywords that does not attribute to any clicks and also impressions. This is actually done by design. Why I did this is because if I'm optimizing for keywords that are making sales for me, if I bid down on these, right? Let's just say an A cost is like too high for me for a certain keyword, I bid it down. And if that bid happens to be higher than the bid of the keywords that is not making any clicks or any impressions and not making any sales for me, then any campaign budget that I save on optimizing on keywords that made a sale for me will basically go to these non-tested keywords, and we do not want that to happen. Basically, we want the saved budget to go to like the keywords that is already performing. So that is the reason. Downbid to a level that is much lower than the keywords that are making clicks and also sales for you for those keywords that attribute to no clicks and impression. And non-obvious optimization number 3, that is to add your campaign budget rules. So campaign budget rules, how do you actually set your campaign budget rules? So you're gonna go to your campaigns, and then under the campaign budget, you would like click into it, and then you're gonna go to budget rules. So I already have one set up. I'm gonna show you how I set it up. Go to budget rules, and you could add a budget rules. You could add multiple rules. So I'm gonna show you my existing rules right here. So what I have in here is that I'm telling Amazon that for this campaign, if the performance is better than or attributed to like less than 40% ACoS, I'm gonna increase the budget for this campaign, increase 30% of the budget. So basically, I'm telling Amazon that if it's doing well, I'm gonna add more fuel to the fire. This allows you to much more efficiently use your budget and increase your ROI. And this can be done for all your budgets, right? All your campaigns. That includes sponsored brand and sponsored display as well. So what you can do to really leverage this particular setting is that you could set a very small budget, but you tell Amazon that if it's reached a certain performance threshold, you would increase the budget for this particular campaign. So for example, if it's like, say a campaign has an ACoS of less than 20%, let's just say you want to like increase it to like say 900%, for example, right? That's just something that you could also do. Non-obvious optimization number 4, dayparting. So this is a bit of a controversial one because back then there wasn't a lot of ways for you to kind of attribute improve campaign performance by using this method. But I think that has changed now with Amazon Marketing Stream, where you could actually get data on an hourly basis. But what I've seen from a lot of clients is that depending on the clients, some clients able to really use this effectively. So you can see, I log on to my our software right here. We have something called a sales concentration graph, where we show where the majority of sales is coming from a particular time of day. You can see the sales concentration chart we have for this particular client. It seems like a lot of the sales starts around like 5 a.m. and then peaks all the way at around 10 p.m. Pacific time. So if we're gonna set dayparting on this, which I will for this client very soon, I would basically tell Amazon that for this particular campaign, I would turn it off at 5 a.m. PST until 10 p.m. PST, and then turn it off all the way from 11 p.m. PST to around 4 a.m. PST. So this is basically what I'll do for dayparting. Basically, it allows me to allocate my budget during time periods where it could give us the highest potential ROI, and that can give us a better TACoS and also ACoS as a result. So to summarize, the non-obvious way to optimize your Amazon PPC, number 1 is to edit your campaign bidding strategy to down only. Decrease bids with keywords with no clicks and also impressions. Add campaign budget rule as number 3. And lastly, number 4, add in and include dayparting as part of your Amazon PPC optimization. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are an Amazon seller and you are looking to grow your business via Amazon PPC, please schedule a call with me on the link below. Until the next video drop, and happy selling.